Hello, everyone. Welcome back to your favorite troubleshooting channel, Fix Netflix YouTube channel. Today we will show you how to fix when your AirPods not connecting to Fire Stick or Fire TV. There are a lot of information on internet, but they do not work at all. Here is tested method to fix the AirPods connecting issue, that is tested by me. If you stay with us all the way to the end of this video and try each of these methods, and there is very high probability that this problem will be solved for you. For your information, you can connect up to 7 Amazon remotes and Bluetooth accessories to Fire TV, but only one set of AirPods can be connected at the same time. Before we start, if you find this video is helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, Fix Netflix, for more helpful tech tips and tutorials. So, let's start it. Step 1. Disconnect AirPods from my phone. It is one of the common reasons behind your AirPods not connecting to your Fire TV stick or Fire TV. Step 2. Rename your AirPods to something shorter with no special characters and turn off Bluetooth on your phone. Then try connecting again. Step 3. Reboot Fire Stick, AirPods, and iPhone. Unplug the power cable of Fire Stick or Fire TV from wall and plug it in back and turn on Fire TV after 5 minutes later. Then try to connect again. Step 4. Update Fire Stick or Fire TV, AirPods, and iPhone firmware. The last resort to fix the problem if you are still facing it is updating the version of Fire OS. Some bugs or glitches in the current Fire OS version might be causing this Bluetooth connectivity issue. Hopefully this will solve the problem. So, that's the whole story, my friends. We have covered all steps to fix when AirPods not connecting to Fire Stick or Fire TV. If you face any problem, please leave a comment here. I will be happy to help you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel Fix Netflix for more tech tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching this video, and we will see you in the next video.